The point of today's video is to save you some money by not hiring a plumber. You've got a clogged shower drain. Everybody gets it. It's easy to fix. I'm going to show you how. With just a few tools. There's the culprit right there. Sorry if I got an echo in here, but I am in a shower. That's what we're going to be using mainly today. Hair snake. $4. Just bought it down at Ace Hardware. Easy to get. Screwdriver. Everyone's got one. Just to take the grate off. That's all you need it for. Alright, so a little bit closer view. As you can see, that's what we got going on here. It's doing its job. It's catching the hair the way it's supposed to be, but eventually it all piles up. You're not getting enough flow through and you got water coming up. So we're going to go ahead and pop these off. Just a regular Phillips head. Most everybody, I'm pretty sure, has a screwdriver, so I'm going to go ahead and just pop these off. Just make sure you don't drop them down the drain. Add to your problem there. Now the not so fun part, let's go ahead and pop this guy off of there. Oh, this is where it starts to get a little gross. So as I said, it was doing its job, right? There you go. That's not gross at all, is it? I'm gonna get to work. Basically just cut that little bit off of the grate there, separate that, toss that in the garbage, thank God. Then we're gonna go ahead and run that snake down in the drain. Back to the grind, run that hair snake all the way down there. Swirl around a little bit. Make sure we're not having anything further down. I actually think in this case we probably pulled it out on the main grate. On my shower, the hair snake wasn't really getting anything. I think we kind of got the bulk of it on that initial pull up from the grate. So I'm gonna head over here to my wife's sink on this side of the bathroom just to kind of show a little bit better what this tool can do. See that? You're not just gonna be able to pull that out if you don't have one of these hair snakes, and that is basically the issue. Why this drain was going slow too. A lot of hair in there. Gross, huh? So go ahead and just work it around in there, pull it up, rip off a clump, throw it in the garbage, back in, repeat the process till you get that cleaned out. That kind of better shows you what these things can do. They're pretty handy. I mean, for $4, boom, you're going fast. Back over here to the shower drain here. I'm gonna get some of this stuff out of here. So I'm going ahead and switch the shower onto my magic wand head, and we're gonna go ahead and clean it out a little bit here, and just see what we're kind of looking with. Now we can see down in there a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some just regular Dawn soap. It's a good degreaser, kind of loosen up some of that crud. That's been sitting there long enough, about a minute or two. Go ahead and let's give it a little rinse out. Get that wand going again. Not really looking to get it spotless at this point, just better idea what we're looking at, and that did a pretty good job getting the gunk off there. I'm going to take it a little step further with an older tired toothbrush. Just get something you never plan to use again and have at it. Yuck. It's getting it though. Alright, let's see what we came up with. Pretty good for about 10 seconds and some soap. Guess we probably didn't even need the hair snake. Now we'll just go ahead and pop the grate back on. Throw the screws back in there. Last thing I'm going to do, throw some good old Arm & Hammer in there. Baking soda works good, cleaning up odors and just kind of Giving it a little throw. I mean, I think we got it pretty clean in there, but yeah, can't ever hurt anything. We'll let this go down and probably even clean this up a little bit here just by sitting on the surface. Let that sit for a while, come back and rinse her off, and you're done. There we go, looking nice and clean, obviously draining down, not getting puddles, standing in a lake while you're taking the shower. All done. Okay, so how easy was that? Save yourself some money, I'm telling you. Don't hire a plumber. They're going to come out, they're going to charge you at least an hour. I don't know what they're charging where you are, but here I think it's like 80 bucks an hour a plumber's getting. I'm not paying that when I can fix this for, if you even need it, $4 for the hair snake, a little bit of your time, tiny bit of available grease, and you're all done. Makes sense. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Keep me going that way, and I'll keep kicking out videos for you. Take it easy, guys.